In this video, we will see how to fix Frigidaire Portable Air Conditioner error code P1, full tank or water pump alert fix. Fix 1 is drain the water tank. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it. Then move the unit to a place where water can safely drain. Then remove the bottom drain plug. Let all the water drain out. Then tilt the unit slightly if needed to empty the tray completely. Then reinstall the drains plug securely. Second one is reset the air conditioner. Unplug the unit from the power outlet, then wait for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Then check if the P1 error has cleared. Third one is check the drain plug. Make sure the drain plug is installed correctly. Then check that the drain opening is not blocked by dirt or debris. Clean the area if needed and reinstall the plug. Fourth one is check the water pump. Make sure the drain hose is connected securely. Then listen for a pump when the unit is running. If the pump does not run or water is not being removed, the pump or float switch may need service. Thanks for watching.